Thank you, Darcy. Hola, ole. What is happening, my man? Hope all is going well. I don't know what happened to that shot. That's not right now. Good evening, Hope. Good to see you. Lacoste is here. Diane, hope all's well. It is Eclipse Eve and a good Friday night to you. Bill Taylor here, Ken's 5 Digital Center. Excited about the Annular Eclipse, now just hours away. It's going to be so cool. A little more than 12 hours from now, the Ring of Fire will be over San Antonio. And what's really cool, you know, I was talking to a couple of folks today that have seen eclipses before. There might be some advantage to being out in an open area, like a larger park or a field of some kind, because of the different shadows that you'll experience when that Ring of Fire is at its maximum. That's going to, again, be about 11:54 till about 11:56. Or, you know, it's about a 3 or 4 minute. I'll show you how long it's going to last in different communities around Bexar County. But either way, you're going to, of course, have the sun directly above us at high noon. And so try not to have too much around. Just city lights and those kind of things won't make any difference because it'll be the light of day already. But it's going to be really neat if you can see some shadows coming off of that and how they'll be changed by the Ring of Fire. Miami, ole, wow. Rain's too much over here. Yeah, bring it back. Load some of that up and bring it on over, man. Right? It's going to be so cool, Hope. Hi, Connie. I've had a really good day, a busy day. I was blessed to be a part of the Raul Jimenez Radiothon at KTSA this morning, even answered the phones and took some donations. They raised $115,000 today for the Thanksgiving dinner, which truly is an event that defines San Antonio. It was one of the first things I covered here in the city when I was first here in 1996. They said, you're going to go down to the convention center. They've got the Thanksgiving dinner. They feed the poor, the lonely, just anyone who's not going to be fed or not going to spend time with family. You are free to go to the convention center and get a free hot meal, some great fellowship, some great entertainment. It is the Raul Jimenez Thanksgiving dinner, and KTSA Radio, Alpha Media, and they've got several stations in the city. They devoted the entire day of programming to raising money for the Thanksgiving Day meal, because they buy like almost 10,000 turkeys, just astronomical amounts of stuffing, green beans. I mean, it's a full meal, dessert and everything. So it costs a lot of money. And so today on radio, they raised $115,000. So it was really cool. Absolutely. Cynthia in Eagle Pass. Good evening, Cynthia in the EP. Hope everything's going great down in Eagle Pass tonight, Cynthia. Thank you for watching. Glad you're on tonight. Kimberly, SeaWorld's having an eclipse party in the park. Oh, good. Got the glasses? Excellent, excellent. Don't forget to have the glasses. All right, so first things first, the cold front is in. Now, skies are still cloudy, 79. North and northeast winds about 10 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and check radar. Now that the front's pushing through, you can actually see it. Oh, a couple little showers there. Look at that. Watch a couple showers develop. Right there, a couple little downpours actually. Interesting. They were really quick. Get this back to about 2 hours. Wow. Right down 410. They were gone as soon as they popped up. Okay. Because we had a fair amount of moisture. I just didn't think we had the forcing or upper level support to get any kind of rain started. Richard got some rain at his house. Hello from Elmendorf. Terry, out here in this evening dancing. My niece just got engaged. Hey, congratulations to the Reyna family. That's awesome. Congrats, congrats. Very cool. All right, so the front is through, and now the winds from here will start to pick up a bit. We're probably going to have gusts look tomorrow morning about 20 miles per hour out of the north and northeast. And then we could have gusts over that, 25 to 30 at times before they die down a bit, but still breezy through the afternoon. So it won't be too bad. But expect some breezy weather Saturday for sure, but then even Sunday, Monday, we're expecting some pretty good breezy conditions out of the north and northeast. So the front is now south of the city, just kind of nosing into Houston at this hour. And it'll be at Corpus Christi, make it all the way to the coast for sure. Now, the nice thing is for sure watching this dry air plow in. From dew points that we've had in the mid to upper 60s, we're going down into the 30s as we get into Saturday. It's going to be really good dry air that sticks around. Look at this. Humidity day by day, we're watching the dew points stay in the 40s, creeping up to the 50s, but not until next Wednesday. And even 50s are still comfortable. Now, sky condition. Heading into tomorrow, and this is crucial for the eclipse, a couple of showers possible to the south through the overnight. Early tomorrow morning, southwest around Carrizo Springs, you can see a little bit. But look at that. As soon as we get to eclipse time, about 10:30 is when it begins. And of course, high noon is when we have the annular eclipse, that moment of the ring of fire is right at noon, and it looks mostly clear. Clouds break up. That is going to be key. Now, in that moment, you can still see some pretty good cloud cover down to the south of us. So that'll obscure your view down to the south. Highs tomorrow, lower 80s. Mostly sunny through the afternoon for sure, as the clouds will be pushed well to our south. All right, now the eclipse and that timing, like I was just showing you about the cloud deck. All's great, Hanak. Good to see you. There's John. God bless you too, my man. Thank you so much. Oh, you got your, did you bring your cowboy boots? I wonder if HEB does have them, Donna, because everyone's still looking for glasses. I had heard that they ran out, but maybe early tomorrow morning, if they got any more, try Lowe's and Home Depot. I heard they had glasses. Just remember that it has to have ISO and that 6-digit number on it to be certified. Make sure that they're correct and they're safe glasses too. So, partial eclipse starts at 10:23. By 11:52, you can see it's almost covered. Then we get into the maximum eclipse moment, the ring of fire at 11:54. And then the entire eclipse lasts until about 1:30. Okay? Now, where will you be tomorrow? You know, because look at the path of annularity. This is the eclipse itself. If we look at that shadow that's going to be, you know, put on the earth by the moon kind of moving in front of the sun, right? So it's casting a shadow onto the earth. And so this is the shadow onto the earth, and this is the way it's going to be moving, all right? So from New Mexico into Texas, down into the Texas Hill Country, and into San Antonio. But notice that San Antonio is kind of on, from this view, the left side of center, right? And so left of center means not as much time in that ring of fire moment as areas in the center, like Lakey right here, or, you know, Bandera would have a little bit more time than San Antonio. But we're talking about fractions of a minute. And the same, as we go down towards the coast, Robstown, Corpus Christi, up to about 5 minutes of ring of fire, okay? Maximum eclipse moment. For San Antonio, it's about 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Leon Valley, 4:33. Live Oak, a little less, 3:35. New Braunfels, a lot less, 1:18 of full ring of fire before it slowly starts to slip, okay? So it's a matter of how long will we have that perfect ring of fire. That's what the times we're looking at right here. I mean, look at Seguin, under a minute. If you're in Seguin, your best bet is to move closer into the city. And again, everything wrapping up by about 1:30. In Cotulla, it could be Hanak. Now, you know, you're kind of out of that path of annularity there, but you'll still see a good eclipse. I mean, don't get me wrong. Just because you're outside of the path doesn't mean you miss the eclipse. The path just means where you see the ring of fire. David tried using a colander to view the eclipse. I think I've strained my eyes. Nice. That's a good one. How about Bernie? Well, Bernie, it won't be much different than San Antonio, Leon Valley. I mean, right in that 4-minute range for sure. Northwest is a good spot. And then it changes a little bit when we talk about the total eclipse in April. You move farther west, and from what I understand, 100%, like we're going to be at 99.8 in San Antonio. And you know, tomorrow, the moon is going to block about 90% of the sun, but in April, it's going to be blocking about 99.8%, almost completely in San Antonio. And out to the west, near Lakey, is where it's going to be 100%. There's a specific spot. Yeah, converse will be a little less in San Antonio, northeast side. So the farther you move east, again, fraction of a difference, not very much at all. But it's going to be an awesome eclipse day. Please, please, please remember to be wearing the safe glasses. The eclipse glasses, the only way to look at this. You cannot use regular sunglasses. You cannot use anything but those eclipse glasses. All right, so eclipse day, like I say, by mid-morning, we will be mostly sunny, and 82 is going to be the high. We will get cooler on Sunday, especially Sunday morning, 57. How about Monday morning, 53? And then Tuesday, we could get our first 40-degree morning. David is pumped. Is that tambourine worthy? I'll say it again. 49 degrees Tuesday morning. That's tambourine worthy. That's right, my friends. 53 Wednesday morning. So it's going to have we got some chilly fall mornings for most of next week. I mean, temperatures ramp up as rain chances return by Thursday. We got another approaching system by then. But fabulous mornings, beautiful weather all weekend. I mean, really, really nice fall weather through Wednesday for several days now. Wash the car. Wash the cars. Yes, Danny, amen. Pray for Israel. Absolutely. Pray for peace. Lord, bring peace. Hey, Gary, good evening. Under a tree. Well, I mean, if you're going to be blocking the view, I mean, yeah, Victoria, not bad at all, because, you know, closer to, let's see. I can pull that back up real quick and show you Victoria, John. So Victoria, just outside the path of annularity. You'd want to drive into Beeville, if you can, to really get a good ring of fire for a longer amount of time, if it's worth it. I mean, it's up to you, but this really could be, you know, a spectacular view for sure. And, you know, even the next eclipse in 2039 will not even be that visible in Texas. It's going to be going across the northern United States. So this is going to be the last one for quite a while. Leon Springs party. All right, Myra, that's going to be fun. Miko in the house. What's up, Rob? Josiah's got a question. What is it? What did you got? You're welcome, John. All right, 7-day forecast. Once again, guys, going to be wrapping things up. Waiting for Josiah's question. Hey, Stephanie, good evening. Doing well. Doing real well. Meant to post my pictures from this morning. Is it going to rain in Victoria? Have friends that live there and want to know. No. I think the best chance of rain is going to be actually west. There could be a few sprinkles as the front comes through, maybe a brief shower, but it won't be like raining in Victoria. Pretty dry front that comes through. It's going to be a little breezy and cooler. Canyon Lake, it's going to be a little less. You're going to want to move west, you know, to get a good. You'll see the ring of fire, but if you really want to see it for like a few minutes, you're going to move a little farther west. But yeah, you'll be fine. Brisket smoking, that's a good Eclipse party with some good brisket in Canyon Lake. Good stuff. All right, guys, make sure to join us for Ken's 5 News at 10. Got a full slate. Of course, we got Friday Night Football as well as Spurs basketball. Spurs Heat. See how Wemby did tonight. Love y'all. Have a wonderful weekend. God bless you.